Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaykum.
The question is, if I have a coin, a gold coin or a gold bar, and I want to sell it to at a coin shop, or it's also called a bullion dealers, basically. So what they tend to do is when they get gold from me, they tend to decrease the price, the value of the gold based on the market price, and then they buy it from me. Is this something permissible, providing that the transaction is hand to hand?
As long as it is a gold coin and it is sold simultaneously, whatever price you both agree upon is fine. Let us assume that I have an ounce of gold. The price value is presumably $4,000. Let's hypothetically say. If I take it to a pawn shop or to a goldsmith or to Tom, Dick, or Harry, and I say, I have this gold bar, it's an ounce of gold, how much you're willing to pay? If someone says $1,000 and I agree, that's fine. If someone else says $10,000 and I agree, that's fine as well, because it's done simultaneously.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum salam wa rahmatullah.
So unfortunately, a lot of young men watch pornography, and in such movies, majority of time the actors may say words like "oh my God" or something. So is this watching these movies considered as kufr?
No, it is, as mentioned in the first question of today's episode, Suleimani's question. This is a filthy, heinous, sinful act, but it does not mount to kufr, as such phrases are separate from the filthy act itself, from the sinful act of watching it.